If you are a consultant, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small consulting business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding appointment, pricing, booking, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small consultant business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly small consultant business, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: book a session, receive tip and our services. Let's click on our service. As soon as I have clicked on our service, I got a response in which they give information about their services that they provide, and with that they have also provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time let's click on book a session. To book a session, they want few details like preferred date. I will enter 1st July. Now they want to know about time. I will enter that. After time, they want to know about the topic. As soon as I have entered all of the details, they responded me with a message which says, "Thank you, your strategy session is being scheduled. We will send you a calendar invitation and a confirmation shortly." And with that also they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. Let's select talk to support. As soon as I have selected talk to support, they have responded me with a message in which they mention that they will connect me with support team members as soon as possible. Their response time is 1 to 2 hours. And thank you for choosing Pabbly. So as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for consultant business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your small consultant business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start and browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. Now, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message, which says Pabbly, your small consultant WhatsApp chatbot. Hi, welcome to Pabbly, your small consultant business. We are here to help you grow, solve problem and reach your goal. How can I help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, book a session. For my next action buttons, I'm going to enter receive tips and our service. Now for each action button, I'm going to enter a separate message. Let's start with book a session. To book a session for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. Excellent, please send your preferred date. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. Now, after knowing date, I want to know about the time. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message, which says, thank you, please send time for your strategy session. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now, after knowing date and time, I want to know about the topic. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message, which says also let me know your main topic or challenges you like to work on during call. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as title and my format as any. Now, after knowing every single detail, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says, thank you, your strategy session is being scheduled. We will send you a calendar invitation and confirmation shortly. And with that, I'm going to provide two action button which says menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to provide a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I have mentioned that our support team will contact them as soon as possible. Our response time is 1 to 2 hours during business days. And thank you for choosing Pabbly, your small consultant business. Now I will move to our second action button, which is receive tip. To give tips, I will drag and drop, receive tip, select the text button and enter my message, which give general tips about growing your business. With that also, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support, like this. Now let's move to our third action button, which is our service. To give information about our service, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I have mentioned all the services that we provide as a company. And with that also I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for small consultant business using Pabbly Chatflow. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.